This is Nerf War, Mission 7. The Russians are coming back. It's been 3 years since the last mission. I'm invading their base. Oh, shh! Boosh! Doosh, doosh, doosh! Okay, let's go down there and freaking teabag his body. Doosh, 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 doosh! Yes. Shut up, you... Why won't you die, you stupid douche? Bang. 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 I'm gonna go check in the stupid cavern to see if there are more. I hope he's not one of those stupid soldiers that ends up cloning himself back to life. So flipping stupid. Wait, I heard something. Time to die, whoever the hell is trying to fudge with me. Ah! Boom! Bang! Bong! Boom! Doosh! 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 He is one of those stupid clone guys. Better escape before he wakes up again. Okay, guys, before I die, I just wanted to say the captain of 3 years ago died because of these stupid clone guys when they first came out. There he is! Doosh, 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 doosh! Unless it's dead corpse. Doo, 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 doo. Let's get the fudge out of here. Hey, there's a saloon. Maybe I could actually make myself useful and get a drink. Oh, douche, 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 douche. Man, I hate saying douche to cover up stupid sounds. I'm gonna cover here. Pull stripper. Ugh. Yeah, smack that. I get on the floor, smack that. Give me some mouse, smack that. I'm the pow. Oh. Douche, douche, douche. I hate our general. He makes us say douche every time that douche, douche. We shoot our guns, and he implanted freaking spy cameras. So it says, hey, douche, 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 douche. Douche, 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 douche. He's gotten up 3 more times. It's so scary. I'm gonna camp here. They'll never notice me. I don't think he spotted me. God may help us all. Wait, I think I said that wrong. Man, I'm a douche. I'm gonna shoot him again. Stupid orgasm, douchebag. I guess he's not here. Wow. Pretty cool. That's the first. Douche, 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 douche. Bag, 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 bag. My Little Pony. sorry. That was probably the most funniest moment of my life. I hate my life. Why did I join the fucking army? I mean, not army, the freaking Marine Corps. Wish I was a master assassin. Like, oh, douche, 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 douche. Is it dead? No, douche, douche, douche. Let's run. Look at these new toys, huh? The clone man is gone. Man, I really wanted to use this weapon. Guess I can only use it on freaking hay. Oh, douche! Oh, man. Ooh. Keep going. Take his ammo. Yeah. Hide his ammo. Douche! 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 Snapping like a douche, douche. Guys, he's gone. Douche, 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 douche. He was a zombie for a second. Oh yeah, I forgot they could turn into zombies. As you can see, I'm sprinting like other German guys. That was my German accent. Douche! 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 Oh my god, it's so scary. Man, I need to rest. I need to rest. I'll just set my gun down on the table. Okay, good. God, help me. I'm about to die. I don't want to. But a guy who keeps on bringing himself to life and turning into a half freaking zombie keeps on wanting to kill me. Blah. I hate. Amen. Is someone there? No!